In ancient times, humans wore whatever nature provided. One day, a group of early humans gathered to discuss their clothing options. "I found this leaf," said Oog, proudly holding up a giant fern. "It's perfect for summer," Grug chimed in. "I prefer these vines. They make great belts." Then Zog entered, draped in a bear pelt. "I call it winter fashion," he boasted. Everyone laughed until a bear growled nearby. "Ugh, Zog," Oog whispered. "I think the original owner wants it back." They all ran, realizing sometimes fashion isn't worth the risk. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.